What if 3 AI tools could replace 80% of your workload and actually make you money while you sleep? You've heard of people using AI to write emails or generate art. But what if I told you people are quietly stacking cash using free tools with no coding, no big audience, and no startup capital? In this video, we're revealing the AI engines behind the scenes. The ones building faceless brands, content empires, and fully automated side hustles. You don't need to invent anything. You just need to understand how to use what already exists better than anyone else. This is NovaPulse. Let's begin. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, the silent ghostwriter. Let's start with the obvious, but not the way most people use it. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a ghostwriter, a brainstorm partner, a business generator. People are using it to write product descriptions, cold emails, YouTube scripts, full blog posts, and getting paid for it. But here's the trick. You don't sell ChatGPT. You sell what ChatGPT helps you create faster than anyone else. That could be freelance writing gigs, ebook publishing, lead generation templates, or full content systems for brands. Smart people are charging $500 plus for content they create in under an hour. And nobody cares that it started with AI. They care that it gets results. Tool number 2, Midjourney, the artist that never sleeps. This next one is transforming the design world without you ever needing to touch Photoshop. Midjourney turns text into original art. That means logos, posters, children's books, even t-shirt graphics, all generated with a few smart prompts. Etsy shops, Amazon KDP, Redbubble stores, all filled with artwork created by AI and sold to real customers. The best part, once it's made, it keeps selling. You're not just creating art, you're building digital assets. That's the power of scaling creativity without a studio. That's Midjourney. Tool number 3, Pictory, the faceless channel builder. You don't want to show your face? Perfect. Pictory takes a script, even one written by ChatGPT, and turns it into a full video using stock footage, animations, and voiceover. This is how faceless YouTube channels are being built in under a week and monetized with affiliate links, digital products, and AdSense. You can create top 10 videos, tutorials, AI news breakdowns, or build channels for other people as a service. You don't need a camera, you don't need an editor, you need a script, a click, and a strategy. That's why Pictory is a weapon for the new media class. So no, AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's replacing excuses and creating a new kind of leverage, one that turns smart moves into long-term income. The tools are out there. You don't need permission. You don't need a following. You need focus and a reason to start. The people quietly getting rich with AI, they didn't wait to get hired. They built quietly, consistently, until the money couldn't ignore them. This is NovaPulse. Subscribe for more. And remember, you don't need to chase money. You need to solve problems faster than anyone else. The rest will follow.